Soil is an immense hotbed of living organisms. It feeds us and we all depend on it. Even though it covers the earth in a thin layer, there's only a few dozen centimeters thick. It is the site of intense activity and home to an extremely rich ecosystem. Insect worms and the billions of bacteria that live in soil. Largest mineral plants and animals matter like a huge stomach. Then they convert this matter into the nutrients necessary for plants' growth. These plants will in turn provide food for human beings and animals. But the fine layer around the earth is delicate. In dry and arid environments, it's particularly vulnerable. It can take 500 years for 2 centimeters of soil to form, but only few years to destroy it. This is called desertification.
Contrary to the popular perception, desertification refers to land degradation resulting from climatic variations and human activities. It is not a natural process. It is the result of mankind's actions. A third of the emerged land is threatened by degradation.
Food is one of the basic needs for us to survive. It consists of essential nutrients such as proteins, carbohydrates, and fats used in the body of organisms to sustain our growth and to provide energy.
Many people in developed countries have health problems from not getting enough food, while many people in less developed countries suffer health problems from eating too much.
Food insecurity exists wherever there is limited or uncertain availability of foods. It happens due to poverty, corruption, conflicts, and harmful environmental effects of industrialized production. Food insecurity and hunger of the world's #1 health risk. Almost 1 billion of people across the globe go to bed hungry every
To meet the needs of the world's population in the future, we need 60% increase on agricultural production. There are two ways on how we can produce crops: industrialized agriculture and subsistence
Agricultural
agriculture.
systems have produced spectacular increase in the world's food production since 1950. However, it has greater harmful environmental impacts than any other human activity, and these harmful environmental effects may limit our future production.
Industrialized agriculture causes water pollution, air pollution, desertification, loss in biodiversity, and even climate change.
Soil is an immense hotbed of living organisms. It feeds us and we all depend on it. Even though it covers the earth in a thin layer, there's only a few dozen centimeters thick. It is the site of intense activity and home to an extremely rich ecosystem. Insect worms and the billions of bacteria that live in soil. Largest mineral plants and animals matter like a huge stomach. Then they convert this matter into the nutrients necessary for plants' growth. These plants will in turn provide food for human beings and animals. But the fine layer around the earth is delicate. In dry and arid environments, it's particularly vulnerable. It can take 500 years for 2 centimeters of soil to form, but only few years to destroy it. This is called desertification.
Contrary to the popular perception, desertification refers to land degradation resulting from climatic variations and human activities. It is not a natural process. It is the result of mankind's actions. A third of the emerged land is threatened by degradation.
How does agriculture contribute to air pollution? Yun na nga, yung paggamit ng synthetic fertilizer, synthetic pesticides, pagsusunog ng agricultural waste. Yan. At yun ay makaka-apekto siyempre sa climate change. Dahil siyempre pag nagsunog ka, carbon dioxide ba ang nilalabas ng sinusunog, di ba? Whereas gawin mong organic fertilizer, bulletin ko, nakatulong ka pa. At yung lupa mo ay manis pa.
Agriculture, industrial agriculture really one of the biggest contributor of air pollution and climate change. As of now, as um, ang pinaka grabing epekto ng agriculture ay yung tinatawag nating climate change, no. So isa yung chemical agriculture or yung conventional agriculture ang nakakapekto kasi lahat ng mga substances nun, pati yung farming practices ay yung mga ginagamit, mga chemical, pesticides, fertilizers na ang epekto nun sa lupa at saka sa environment ay di maganda yung epekto, no. So ang ang chemical agriculture, kasi ang chemical na yan ay gumagamit ng mga fuels para yung activities ng farm ay gagana. Gumagamit ng fuels na para magkakaroon tayo ng yung tinatawag nating chemical substances na i-apply natin sa ating halaman. So sa mga ganun, pag gumagamit tayo ng mga petroleum base o yung mga chemical o yung mga fuel, so yung coal isa sa ginagamit noon para makapagbuo o ng mga activities. So isa siya sa contributors talaga ng climate change o yung air pollution.
So these are organically grown carrots. Organic agriculture is a rapidly sector of agriculture that focuses on health, ecology, fairness, and care of the farming process.
Dagdag pang pataba o pang fertile ng soil. Ayun. So pagkatapos naming taniman yung palay itong rice field ng palay, pagkatapos nun tataniman namin ulit ng munggo o yung tinatawag namin crop rotation para itong munggo ay magpapatulong para sa kanyang fertility ng soil. Daming langgam, sir.
There are a lot of technological improvements that help us in cultivation, like agrochemicals, pesticides, and fertilizers. But these improvements also cause ecological damage and have negative health effects.
So how can we protect ourselves and our environment from the technological improvements without getting food production on the line?
Katulad ng pesticides, talagang ito ay nakaka-apekto sa ating Mother Earth. No? So, kailangan talaga yung regulation. Yun. Tapos, regulation din on the part of the users. Kailangan i-educate nila magsasaka how dangerous these pesticides are. Lalo na sa ating kalusugan. Diba? Kung minsan ang magsasaka, nakagalit na mag-spray. Hindi. Dapat meron siyang long sleeves o kaya yung overall. Naka-guantes siya. Kasi pag mainit, yung balat natin, yung pores, bukas yan. So, papasok na yung pesticides. At hindi lang ito ngayon lang yung epekto. It will take time para umepekto pasok sa katawan ng tao. Yung iba, nagkakaroon ng sakit sa upa. Nagkakaroon ng aneurysm. Yun ang mga epekto ng mga pesticides kasi hindi siya control. Hindi dapat i-educate ang mga magsasaka how to use the pesticides properly. There are laws regarding the use of agrochemicals, fertilizer, and pesticides. Sa agrochemicals at pesticides, parang control plan. Pero walang laws na nagbabawal. So ito na yung inaano ko din sa National Anti-Poverty Commission. Kailangan sa importation of pesticides, dapat may batas. Diba? Kasi kahit yung mga banned pesticides, may nakakarating pa rin sa atin. Wala itong regulation. Bibili lang over the counter, bibili ka lang, gagamitin mo. nasa bottle, nakakalason, ganito. Eh, yung ibang magsasaka, hindi naman nakakabasa. Diba? Yung ibang magsasaka, 60 years old na, malabo na rin ang mata, katulad ko. Paano nila mababasa yun, diba? So, kailangan ng gobyerno natin, magkaroon siya ng konkretong batas regarding this, lalo na yung mga imported.
So these are organically grown carrots. Organic agriculture is a rapidly sector of agriculture that focuses on health, ecology, fairness, and care of the
This
farmer.
organic agriculture work. First, yung nasa puso mo, para ito ay mabuward. Kasi organic agriculture, yung transformation from non-organic to organic, medyo mahirap yan. No? Kasi kung ang pinag-uusapan ay financial, yung return of investment, yield, mahirap sa organic. Kasi it will take 5 years. Let's say, kung non-organic ka ngayon, synthetic fertilizer, synthetic pesticides na ginagamit mo, nag-yield ka ng 200 kabans or 100 kabans per hectare. No? Pag nag-transform ka into organic agri, hindi mo makukuha yan on the first year. So, nasasakripisyo dito yung income, diba? Pero, kung ang pagbabatayan mo ay yung healthy food, kasi may presyo ang healthy food eh. Kasi, kung hindi man 60% ay health conscious ngayon, yung may mga kayang bumili ng mas mataas ang presyo sa merkado, eh yun lang mga class A, diba? So, yung mga yon compared to class C, D, and E, kakaunti lang yun. Diba? Eh kung ang aantayin mong bumili ay yung class A, D, kung wala kang promotion na maganda, wala kang tindahan na maganda, mahihirapan ka magsasaan.
Okay. Yung eco sauce, parang ano siya, parang maliit na greenhouse na siya yung parang pag medyo malakas yung temperatura, example, mainit, so siya yung parang nagiging protection sa init.
Opo.
Pero pag yung pag medyo napakalakas ng ulan, siya naman yung protection ng ulan na para di masira yung mga pananim natin. So yun. So ang kagandahan nito, pag medyo napakainit, so yung absorption pa rin ng tubig mas malakas. Pero kung may nakaharang o may ipasusta, so yung tubig mo di masyadong nawawala. So pag maulan naman, hindi masyadong nasisira yung pananim mo. Kasi pag medyo malakas yung ulan, kagaya ngayon, climate change, pag maulan, kasi grabe ang ulan, so pwedeng masira yung pananim mo kung walang takip. So yun yung pinaka-purpose niya. So pag may mga piste naman, di nakakapasok kasi maninipis yung niya. Parang yung mata niya o yung butas. Ayun. Ito yung tinatawag na Lorosa environment.
The rose.
So, kahit mga scrap na mga materyales na sa tingin natin pwedeng gawin nating pangpunla, pwede. Tulad nito, sako. So, parang sinasali na namin dito yung tinatawag na solid waste management. So, ano yung mga bagay na sa tingin natin parang basura na pwede nating magamit pa, recycle natin. So, ayan.
Genetically modified foods are created using biotechnology. The genetic material of plants or animals can be changed through a variety of techniques. It may increase the food's shelf life, make resistant to pesticides and insecticides, or improve the crop's nutritional value.
They say that genetically engineered foods may solve food security. Actually, nakakatulong talaga. Katulad ng mga hybrid seeds, talagang ang production ay lumalaki. But the fact na, syempre, hindi naman siya 100% safe, diba? Lahat naman ng GM meron yung disadvantage. Pero, syempre, the government is looking for the food safety of its people. So, nasa sa atin na yun. Kung, like us, farmers, no? Nagtatanim kami ng genetically, pero meron pa rin kaming area, especially for our own consumption or our relatives' consumption, ay nagtatanim pa rin ako ng traditional seed. As the assistance of line agencies like BPI, DOST, LGU, DAR, DA, they can help in promoting your product. Like, pupuntahan mo yung mga line agencies na yun at magtatanong ka ba, ano ba yung mga project na swak dun sa mga magsasaka. RGM, foods regulated, and what is the government's role in this process? Yung for every 10 kilos of BT corn, we're talking about BT corn, yung GM yan, GM. Merong 1 kilo na seeds din na hindi siya BT. For the, parang ito ay pambalanse. So, as yung mga insects natin na harmless, hindi nakakasira ng mga halaman, ay mabuhay. So, yun ng provisions ng gobyerno yun. Kasi before, corn planter kami eh. Pag sinabing BT corn, BT lahat. Ngayon, for every package of BT corn, merong provision ng gobyerno na ito ay lalagyan ng non-BT for the, yun na nga, yung mga insects. Kasi kung i-eliminate lahat natin yung mga insects, that's not good for the environment.
Pests are farmers' worst nightmare. Pests infest crops and pastures, causing most of the damage in crops.
Farmers protect their crops from pests by using pesticides. Pesticides are chemicals used to kill undesirable population of insects, weeds, and fungi.
Mayroon ng gumagawa na mismo na organic.
Parang yung mga
fertilizer.
bibigyan natin ng mga, parang encourage natin silang, kasi yung nangyayari ngayon, magti-take time pa dun sa paggawa, dun sa pagtatanim nila. So ngayon, mayroong mga group of farmers na yun lang mismong gagawin. Organic fertilizer production. Para mismong gamitin ng mga ibang association of farmers sa mga barangay. So, like yung mga iba nating mga kliyente, mga farmers doon, gumagawa din sila ng sarili. Kaya lang hindi, kumbaga, kulang yun sa pangangailangan ng bawat miyembro eh. Like sina chairman dito, halos lahat ng mga farmers sa Planas, members nila. So, and then yung sa Magalang, 40 plus yun eh. So, kapag may gumawa na isa, talagang kulang na kulang kung i-distribute sa lahat ng mga sugarcane farmers at mga kasaba farmers sa barangay. So ngayon, ang DTNG, nagbibigay tayo ng mga equipment, mga shredder, para hindi masayang. No? Kasi ang ginagawa kasi ngayon ng mga farmer para mapadali yung trabaho, sinisilaban na lang. Sinisilaban din dayami na chairman.
Bawal na ngayon yun.
Bawal ngayon yun. So, mayroon tayong batas. RA 10 Republic Act 10068 or yung Organic Act of 2010. So, bawal nang gawin, kailangan yung gamitin yan sa kapag may paginabang. So, yung nasabi ko kanina, mayroong liquid, may solid. So, hindi lang yung health ng tao, ang consumer, ang iniintindi natin, pati yung kapaligiran. Imbis na yung synthetic kasi, naninira ng lupa yan. So, let's say, ilang years, kunyari, si chairman, dati, synthetic yung gamit. Matagal, bago niya i-convert into organic yun. So, mga 10 years na chairman. Depende sa gravity ng sira sa lupa.
Hindi lang sa lupa ang may epekto din sa tao.
Katawan.
Oo. Sa katawan natin. Kasi
Synthetic pesticides present hazardous impacts far beyond their intended target. It promotes genetic resistance, pollutes the environment, and harms the health of wild.
Una po protektahan yung mga pananim laban sa mga peste na dumadapo.
Siyempre, meron kaming sariling gamit.
Tulad po na
Mga pag-spray, kakawate na may sili.
kakaway. So lahat po
Tuwing alas 5 ng hapon, dapat ini-spray yan pag dumarating.
lahat po ng ginagamit nyo ay natural, so organic po ang lahat. So, ano po yung alternatibo sa mga synthetic po ng mga pesticide? Ano po yung
Yung paggamit.
Opo.
Yung ginagawa namin na yung FPJ, fruit prevented, yung mga kunang isda, pinaugasan, maganda sa halaman niya.
So, yun lang po.
Vermi.
Vermi. So, mga yung mga dumi po ng mga hayop.
Talagang natural organic talaga yan.
Kada kailan naman po nyo in-spray sa mga halaman naman?
Pag may nakikita kang marami ng dumadapo, kailangan paalisin mo na.
Paalisin na.
Pag wala, huwag muna.
Hindi po siya yung inaaraw-araw.
Hindi
Kubado.
Yung mga sirang na papaya, saging, blend mo. May mga proseso yan eh.
Yan, nilalagay niyo po yun sa halaman.
Oo. Gagawa kami mga 1 drum. Hati-hati kaming 24 na member ng COPSI. Kaya pare-pares yung gamit namin.
Ito naman po yung
Vermi.
Vermi.
Yung lupa na yan, pinapatabaan yung lupa.
Pinapatabaan po yung lupa.
To feed the world sustainably into the future, fundamental changes are needed in our farming and food systems.
We should produce our food more sustainably, and this can happen by using our resources efficiently, decreasing the harmful effects of industrialized food production, and eliminating government subsidies that promote such harmful impacts.